Hi all, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing video. I know it's been a minute. Been a little bit over a month. I said that I'm going to be posting videos every Mondays and Thursdays, which I haven't been doing, but I'm really going to try to buckle down now. I'm posting today, Wednesday, just try to do a little makeup. I'll have one for today and for tomorrow, and then here on out, do my best to do so. So I know I'm looking a little glary and shiny because I'm sitting in the window, so I can use the natural light. So a little breezy, but that's who I be. So let's get started. So I'm going to be unboxing some the things I ordered for my artwork. If you remember, I've showed you before that I ordered refrigerator magnets for Celeste. So today I ordered, well not today, but I'm going to be opening some things that I ordered from Celeste, a keychain and some button pins, and also for Penelope I ordered some coasters. These are all sample packs to get an idea of how would it look like if I wanted to order a bigger order. And I also ordered some other things here for jewelry making, but I'll show you that in a minute. So let's get started opening the ones for the artwork. Let's move this one to the side. So I have 3 boxes here. Okay, so try to remember which one is which. I believe this is the coasters for Penelope. Let's go ahead and open that up. Just a little better. Oh, here we go. Penelope, coasters for Penelope. It says, excuse the glare. This is the sunlight. So this is what the coasters look like. Well, this is a coaster that's in it, but I'll get to that. But this is the coasters for Penelope. That's pretty cool. So you can see because the glare, nice and thick. Let's see, you can see it. I'll see the glare. This is Penelope. So it's a 10 pack, sample pack. Check it out. A little closer, open it up. For Penelope, little lady, formerly known as the pom-pom hair lady. Alright, so we got 10 of them. Nice and sturdy, nice and thick. 10 coasters for Penelope. Oh, this looks so perfect. Alright, got that. Smells good too. And the box will give you a sample poster for Sticker Mule. And seen before, the little stickers of the mule. Stimulus with different writings that you can do with your phone or words. Sticker Mule. So that's box number 1. Number 2, I believe this one is, I was about to find out either the keychains or the button pins. So let me see. Open this one up. I always get excited when I open up my items from artwork. I know what it looks like, but once you want to see it in production, you see it actually how it came out. Just a little bit more. So this is always for Celeste. There we go. Keep this a bubble wrap for something else. Mail off my items. Okay, cool. The button pin for Celeste. Let's take a peek. Okay. It's pretty cool. It's a little on the dark side, but it's okay. That's the button pin for Celeste. You can see that without the glare. Let me take the Celeste magnets out, the plastic, so you can see a little better. Okay, so Celeste. This is one of the magnets. I want to take it out so you can see the action. This is Celeste, and this is the button pins. I think it's the same color. So that's Celeste. Getting a collection of Celeste. I have the magnets and the button pins, and then the next one should be a Celeste. Basically the same little things in here as the other one. It should be a keychain. So I'm really excited to see what the keychain's gonna come out. They're gonna come out. Okay. Today was pretty warm today. I ran some errands. This is actually my day off. It's pretty hot. I have to go to the valley today to take care of some business. It's more hotter out there than it is, you know, where I'm working, where I live at. Oh, cool. That's so cute. The keychain for Celeste. Oh, these are cute. It's kind of like see-through. Oh, those are cool. I like that. Look at how her hair just stands out. the little circles of the different color of her hair. So we have the keychain, button pin, and the refrigerator magnet. Cool. The only thing I want to add now is some stickers, because I have stickers of Celeste, but when I first did the printing, it came out really dark. Let me grab them right quick. Oh, right here. So should have had them to lighten it up. So this is the stickers of Celeste, but the color came out really dark. This is the part I didn't like. See, that's the stickers. You can see the face is really dark. And this is bright, so it looks kind of dull. So I think I'm actually going to order some more Celeste stickers. And I think I'll just leave these kind of like freebies. You can order things. This is the refrigerator magnet. This is the sticker. See, the shade is different. So these I won't actually sell. I just think I'll just put these as freebies. So we have, like I said before, keychain, refrigerator magnet, and button pins. So this all was like a 10-pack sample, so I can see what it looks like. So I will be ordering more. Okay, let me put this away. So this is the keychains. Why did I put the button pin in the keychain? Okay, keychain. Button pins, and I'll put the magnet back over here. So let's get these out of the way. So now this other item is going to be something I ordered so it can help me better make my jewelry. I really don't make necklaces, so I'm going to incorporate more necklaces in my jewelry making. So I do basically bracelets and dangle earrings. So item that I purchased from the store called, look at my little notes, Beadaholic. And what I purchased was a beaded design board, and I got 3 free items with that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Sometimes we have these items for some time. Wait till I get a chance to do my videos. Nice little wrap. Ooh, I'll definitely be keeping it. Bubble wrap, I meant to say. Invoice, and it must be my little free items right there. I'll put that to the side. Okay, so more wrap. This is the bead board I purchased. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's right, nice and big. So it says the Beadsmith Travelers for the beader on the go. See how big it is? It's pretty cool. Open it up. I can just cut it up there. Let's open. Okay. That's cool. So you can make the necklaces. They said it was for the, but I can do bracelets too. They have like the little storage, little part you can put your beads and the wires, what have you in it. Shows you right here. So you can lay stuff like the tools and the beads and everything that you would need to make the necklaces or jewelry period. So let's open and take it off. Oh, cool. Got a nice little cover to it. Nice and smooth. And I do have a one for a bracelet, and I have a smaller one. So let me pause you guys and go grab the other 2 that I already have. Alright, I'm back. So I grabbed the other 2. I believe I bought the small one from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. You can make your necklaces or bracelets and have little storage containers. And I bought this bracelet design board, bead landing from Michaels. I don't remember, I did a haul on this one. So you have different size bracelets. It's 7-inch, 7.5-inch, and I think basically the average one is 7, 7.5, and then the smaller ones for people with smaller, wrists, maybe younger children or something. But no, this is like for younger, but maybe a younger woman would have a smaller wrist, and you can actually spread out the bracelet for the length that you want. So I have this one, and now I have this more professional looking one. So that's really helping with my jewelry making. So I actually will do a video using all 3 of them, showing you how I make the so I basically was pleased to make the bracelet and the necklace. So that was a quick video haul of my artwork items, as well as things that help me better make my jewelry making. So that was a quick video. So I will be posting another one for tomorrow, Thursday. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any ideas of different designing of jewelry that you'd like to see me make, please leave in the description box below. See you next time. Bye. Hi you guys, I'm back. I completely forgot to share the free items I received in the box from Beadaholics. So this is the 3 free items that I received. Very quick, open this up. Alright, so the first one is a silk cording, bead cording with a needle. This one right here. It says silk bead cording, purple lilac with needle. So here it goes here. Let me see. Let's see where's the needle. The needle's in somewhere. Let me see where the needle's at. Look at the side, see where's the needle. Which needle? So, oh, this is the needle part right here. You can see, let me see if I can open it up. So this is the needle part. Okay, that's one free item. Second item, Swiss, I'm not saying pronouncing that right, but glass metal beads, purple Irish, 50 pieces. Glass metal melon beads right there. They're 5 millimeters. It's purple Irish. You get 50 pieces. So these are really small, but they're free, so I can't complain too much. So it's like right there. I can add that to different jewelry making for bracelet, necklace, whatever. It's kind of heavy, so it's pretty cool. And then the last one is that C word, C-Z-E-H-C-H. You see how I pronounce that? See right there? The C word, I'm not sure how I pronounce it. Glass heart beads, 8 by 5 by 7 millimeters, 1 strand, jet black. I like these the most. Nice little heart beads. So those are the free items that I received. So I got the heart beads, the glass melon beads, look like a little melon, just notice that, and then the bead cording with the needle. So it's my 3 free gifts with the item that I bought for the bead design board. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.